The leak of Sora 2.0 has surprised many, as OpenAI's highly anticipated video generation model was shared publicly by early testers. The model, which was meant to be used in private testing, quickly spread through platforms like Hugging Face, allowing users to generate impressive video clips. However, this caused a stir among artists who felt they were being exploited for their work without fair pay. This leak has sparked important discussions about AI's role in the creative industry. Stay tuned as we unveil the details of Sora 2.0, the artists' concerns, and what it signifies for the future of AI. Let's start. Sora 2.0 is a powerful AI model created by OpenAI that can generate high-quality short videos with impressive details and high resolution. It gained attention when early access was leaked, letting more people try it out. Although it's still in the research phase, the model can create videos with better coherence and detail using scene prompts. However, it sparked controversy when artists who helped develop the model complained about not being paid for their work. They criticized OpenAI for taking advantage of them and not being open about the process. While Sora 2.0 has a lot of potential in creative fields, there are ongoing concerns about how it affects artists and its ethical use. Currently, Sora is only available for private use, similar to how ChatGPT was initially. This caught many people off guard because there's still no set date for its public release. When a link was shared, it came with a long message explaining frustrations with OpenAI. The people involved were disappointed, as they expected Sora to be open for early testing. This came as a surprise to the community, who had been waiting for more information about when Sora would be accessible to the public, but no clear details were given about its release. The complaints from these artists are important for understanding the situation. They began by addressing the creators of Sora, saying, "Dear corporate AI overlords, we were told we'd be early testers, red teamers, and creative partners. Instead, we feel like we're being used to promote Sora as a tool for artists." They emphasized that artists should not be treated as free research and development teams for OpenAI. "We are not your free bug testers, PR puppets, or training data validation tokens." The artists pointed out that hundreds of them are doing unpaid work, including testing bugs, providing feedback, and experimenting with the software for OpenAI's program. Despite OpenAI's $150 billion valuation, these artists are contributing without pay, while only a few select artists will be chosen through a competition to have their Sora-generated films shown. These few artists receive very little payment, which is nothing compared to the huge PR and marketing benefits OpenAI gets from their work. The main issue raised here is the frustration of artists who feel taken advantage of. They criticized how the early access program was launched and how the tool itself is being developed. The artists felt that the release focused more on marketing and public relations than on supporting true artistic expression. The statement from the artists said, "We are releasing this tool so everyone can experiment with the same free, unlimited access that 300 artists had." However, the artists clarified that they aren't against using technology in art. Their concern was about how the tool's release was handled. They expressed the hope that OpenAI could be more transparent, artist-friendly, and supportive of the arts beyond just promoting their brand. To back up their point, the artists shared links to open-source tools like Cog Video and LTX Video. They argued that these tools let artists experiment freely without being controlled by commercial interests or corporate agendas, offering a more genuine, creative space for artistic work. In the release statement, artists shared their concerns about how the program was set up and stressed the need for more transparency from OpenAI. They called for OpenAI to support the arts in a more meaningful way, rather than using it as a marketing tool. The group provided links to open source alternatives to Sora, emphasizing that artists should be free to explore and create without corporate control. They asked OpenAI to consider these points as they continue to develop the program in the future, hoping for a more artist-friendly approach. When looking at the situation, it's important to remember that joining an early access program is usually voluntary. Artists in the Sora program could have chosen to leave if they didn't agree with the terms. The idea of being lured into art washing is strange because participation is optional. While it's understandable to be frustrated about unpaid work, giving feedback and testing tools is a normal part of these programs. Early access usually involves contributing insights in return for getting early access to new tools, which is a common practice in many early access programs. Before we continue, we hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated on all our latest OpenAI news. The concern about OpenAI controlling what gets shared, especially needing approval before posting, is understandable. When a company is behind a product, they usually want to make sure anything related to their brand is shared positively. OpenAI likely wants to approve content to protect its brand image and ensure safety. If videos created with Sora don't meet a certain quality, it could harm the company's reputation. since Sora isn't available to the public yet, OpenAI needs to make sure the videos are top quality before they are shared to avoid any damage to their image. Approval is crucial due to the quality and safety concerns tied to the release of such a tool. If the generated videos don't meet expectations, it could hurt the tool's reputation. OpenAI's choice to closely monitor the results makes sense, especially when launching a new video generation model. Poor quality outputs could lead to negative public views, which is a real risk, especially considering how advanced video generation tools like Sora are. By overseeing the process, OpenAI can ensure that the tool delivers quality content and maintains a positive image among users and the wider public. After the leak, OpenAI responded by muting people who talked about it on their official Discord server, making the situation even more controversial. What's surprising is that many people in the community were impressed with the quality of the Sora model, which appears to be better than similar tools available now. This leak has sparked a lot of curiosity and excitement as the Sora video generation model shows just how powerful and advanced it, leaving many eager to see more of its capabilities in action. Earlier, OpenAI's Chief Product Officer, Kevin, explained that Sora was being delayed because they needed to fine-tune its model. This was to ensure the system's safety and make other necessary changes before it could be released to the public. However, the leaked clips now show much better quality than what was first expected. These videos reveal a much more advanced version of the model, with capabilities far beyond initial expectations. The quality of the clips shared online indicates that Sora is more refined than many thought it would be. Sora, as highlighted by Oracus AI, has a strong ability to handle smooth scene transitions. When reviewing a generated prompt, 3 extra prompts were added to ensure the video flowed well. One of these scenes features a woman adjusting her sunglasses under a neon sign, then pausing to admire the city lights reflected in a puddle. These additional prompts help maintain a clear and connected narrative, showing that Sora can keep a video's story consistent. This feature is important for video creation, as it ensures seamless scene transitions, keeping the audience engaged and making the overall video feel cohesive. This brings us to the technical side of the video generation model. Sora can be customized for different types of videos, with options to adjust variants and frames based on the user's needs. The addition of the turbo model shows OpenAI's goal to make the system faster while still producing high-quality videos. This helps in scaling the model's use and improving the efficiency of the video generation process, making it quicker and more effective for users. Earlier this year, it was reported that Sora had issues with slow generation times, with even short clips taking over 10 minutes to render. OpenAI's team worked on fixing these problems to make things faster. As a result, Sora can now create longer and higher quality clips, showing a big improvement from earlier versions. The old versions had trouble maintaining a consistent style throughout the clip, but the new updates have solved that issue. These changes have made Sora much more efficient and capable of producing better, more consistent results in less time than before. In an amazing AI-generated video, Fortnite gameplay shows smooth character movements and a world model that predicts future frames perfectly. This level of consistency in animation makes Sora stand out from other AI video models, showcasing its potential in gaming and animation. The fluid movement and accurate predictions highlight how advanced and reliable this AI technology is for creating exciting and lifelike content. This breakthrough shows that AI can improve video game graphics and animation by making them more realistic and engaging. Sora's performance sets a new standard for what's possible in creating dynamic, interactive gaming experiences. In conclusion, the leak of the Sora 2.0 model was unfortunate, but likely won't have a lasting effect on OpenAI. The leak occurred when an API key was shared, giving unexpected access to an early research preview. While surprising, it doesn't appear to be a serious threat to OpenAI. Artists who were uncomfortable with the early access program had the option to opt out of the leak, has shown the impressive abilities of the model. Going forward, the future of Sora in creative fields will depend on how OpenAI manages access, transparency, and fairness. While Sora could change the creative industries, it also raises important ethical concerns about its use and the role of artists in AI development. OpenAI will need to balance innovation with fairness to ensure positive outcomes for all involved. That wraps up today's video on the Sora 2.0 leak. This surprise leak has caused a lot of debate, especially among artists who feel their work was used without permission. It marks an important moment in the ongoing conversation about AI's impact on creative industries. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think will happen in the future with AI and creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest news from OpenAI. Thanks for watching.